Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to enable iPhone call recording. Here are the steps to enable call recording on iPhone. Take note, iPhones do not have a built-in call recording feature due to privacy and legal restrictions. You will need to use third-party apps or services. First is to enable call recording on iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Search for a trusted call recording app, like Rev app. Tap Get to install or download the app. Open the app after installation. Grant the app permissions like notifications, then tap the arrow. Tap the arrow again, and tap Let's Go. Tap on the microphone icon, then tap Go to Settings, then toggle on Allow to gain access to the microphone. Go back to the Rev app, tap the microphone icon again, and it will record automatically. During the call, the app may display a recording indicator. After the call, tap the Stop to save it. Here, provide the name for your recording and tap Save and Transcribe. Back up important recordings. You can do this by tapping the three dots, then tap Share Link and choose and paste it to the email or messaging app. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.